Cracking the code to longevity. 7 foods to cut out after 50. Hey there, age-defying enthusiasts. Welcome to this exciting exploration into longevity and health after 50. As we age, the food we eat plays a huge role in our journey to a healthier life. Just like fine-tuned machines, our bodies need the right fuel to keep us revving. In this video, we'll discover the 7 foods to avoid after 50. Knowledge is power, and by knowing these culprits, we can make informed choices to stay youthful and energetic. So, get ready to embrace the delicious delights that nourish our bodies and souls. Let's hit the road and begin our quest to better health after 50. Food 1. Soda, the sneaky foe. Ah, soda, the tempting bubbly delight that has won over our taste buds for ages. But beware, my friends, this seemingly innocent drink hides some sneaky risks, especially after 50. Let's spill the soda secrets. You see, these fizzy troublemakers are packed with sugar and contain phosphoric acid, which can be mischief makers for our bones and heart. Too much soda weakens our bones and raises the risk of heart issues as we age. But hey, no need to fret. Refreshing alternatives are up our sleeves. Jazz up your water with lemon or lime, or create your own nutritious soda with real fruit juice and sparkling water. Toast to wise choices and bid farewell to soda's sneaky ways. Your bones and heart will thank you, and you'll be one step closer to that vibrant, energetic life you've always dreamed of. Before we proceed, I have a question for you. If you're watching this video, I bet you're into healthy living and taking care of yourself. So, would you like to have the ultimate guide to natural remedies for common ailments? The pharmaceutical industry doesn't want you to know about them. Click the link in the video description or the link in the top comment and discover them now. Food 2. Fast food, the tempting trap. Let's talk fast food quick and easy, but watch out. It can have not so great effects, especially after 50. Fast food can be a sneaky saboteur for our health. It's loaded with stuff like saturated fats, cholesterol, and sneaky sodium, which can lead to chronic issues. But fear not. We've got tasty alternatives. Think colorful salads with lean proteins or a grilled chicken sandwich. Yum! And for dessert, savor the sweetness of fresh fruits or a light yogurt parfait. Balance is key. Let's say goodbye to fast food frenzy and hello to a healthier journey after 50. Food 3. Processed meats. Farewell to sausages and deli meats. Let's talk about processed meats, the sneaky culprits hiding in sausages and deli treats. They can be troublemakers for our heart and increase cancer risk. But don't worry. We've got healthier protein options, lean meats like chicken and juicy fish. Add colorful veggies, fruits, beans, and whole grains for a delicious and nutritious plate. Say goodbye to those sneaky sausages and deli meats and embrace a healthier, vibrant you. Food 4. White bread and pasta, effect on blood sugar. Let's talk about white bread and pasta, and how they can mess with our blood sugar levels. But don't worry, there are delicious solutions to feel great after 50. These suspects can cause quick spikes in blood sugar, leaving us hungry. Not what we want. But fear not, there are whole grain superheroes like brown rice and quinoa. They keep sugar levels stable and our tummies satisfied for longer. Say goodbye to white bread and pasta issues, and welcome the whole grain rock stars. Your body will thank you with nutritious and delicious choices. Food 5. Dairy with added sugar, the sweet dilemma. Let's talk about dairy products with added sugar, a sweet dilemma that can lead to health issues, especially diabetes. But fear not. We've got fantastic alternatives like unsweetened almond milk for a light and creamy experience. And for strong bones, dark leafy greens like spinach or kale are calcium-rich superstars. Say goodbye to the sugary dairy and welcome delightful alternatives to nourish your body. Your taste buds will dance, and your bones will thank you. Food 6. Grain-fed red meat, unmasking the truth. Let's reveal the truth behind grain-fed red meat versus grass-fed meat. There's more to this story than meets the eye, my food detectives. First things first, the difference lies in what our precious cows munch on. Grain-fed cows feast on grains like corn, which can make their meat higher in unhealthy fats. On the other hand, grass-fed cows graze on natural grass, making their meat lower in bad fats and higher in the good stuff. Now, I know you're wondering, what's the best choice for me? Fear not, my fellow foodies. Opting for grass-fed meat is a wise decision. It's packed with nutrients like vitamin A, E, and antioxidants that can do wonders for our health. So, the next time you're at the market, keep an eye out for grass-fed labels. Your taste buds and body will thank you for choosing the healthier and tastier option. Food 7. Low-fat or fat-free products. The light deception. Beware of the light deception, my food detectives. Let's uncover the truth behind low-fat or fat-free processed foods that claim to be healthy but might not be all they seem. You see, when these products remove the fat, they often replace it with sneaky sugars and artificial stuff. It's like a magician's trick, making them significant contributors to chronic diseases like obesity and diabetes. But here's the scoop: our bodies need healthy fats to function at their best. Fats help us absorb essential vitamins and keep our skin and hair looking fabulous. So, don't fall for the light trap. Instead, embrace the goodness of healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. It's all about balance, my foodie friends. Congratulations and thank you for reaching the end of the video. What you've seen undoubtedly works for living a healthy old age, but it's just one piece of the puzzle for robust health. If you want to have something close to the Bible of natural remedies for common ailments and be able to share some new remedies with your grandparents, click on the link in the video description or the first pinned comment. If you're passionate about the topic of weight loss and overall health, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more valuable content. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family on social media. Together, we can help more people achieve a healthy and happy lifestyle. Don't miss out. See you in the next video. Until next time.